Hello, today we're making baklava. The first step you'll need is phyllo dough. You need to thaw this out first, preferably in the refrigerator. Second step you'll need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While the oven's preheating, melt 1 cup of butter. Alright, now melt your butter in the microwave for 30 seconds or until it is melted. Use 1 pound of chopped nuts. You can buy them in a bag like this already finely chopped, or choose to manually chop them yourself. After you've chopped your walnuts up, add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Now stir it around. Now butter your 9 by 13 inch pan. Make sure you cover all edges as you do this procedure. Now take out your phyllo dough sheets and carefully place them on the tinfoil sheet. Cut your phyllo dough congruent to your pan. Take 2 sheets of phyllo dough and carefully place them in your pan. Now butter. Now we repeat this process 3 times for a total of 8 layers. And butter it again. After you finish your 4 layers, sprinkle your walnuts on. After completing putting the nuts on, put your 2 sheets of phyllo dough over. And now butter them. Once again, spread your walnuts onto your phyllo dough sheets after buttered. Add 2 more sheets. After you've buttered, sprinkle more walnuts. After you've added 2 more sheets, press it down to make sure it sticks. Butter it again. Butter in the edges. Now sprinkle another layer of nuts. To reserve my full sheets of phyllo dough, I'll use these half sheets and place them over. And now butter. Now sprinkle your final layer of walnuts. Put 2 layers of phyllo dough on top. And now butter. Now take 2 more layers and place it over. Butter thoroughly. Take 2 more sheets and place it on top. And butter. This concludes our final 6 to 8 layers, and as you can see, rips and tears are okay. Now butter. Now cut the baklava in rows. The knife cuts better when it's wet. Repeat the process. Now we're going to cut vertically. And keep cutting across. Now wet your knife and cut them into triangles. We're going to repeat this process until we cut all of them just like that. After everything's been cut, place them into the oven. Bake for 50 minutes. Turn on your stove to a medium heat. Now add 1 cup of water. Once it's boiling, add 1 cup of sugar. Now stir until dissolved. Now add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Turn your heat down to simmer and add a 1/2 cup of honey. Now dump your honey in. Now stir your honey, vanilla, and boiling water. Let this concoction simmer for 20 minutes. Let's check and see how the baklava is doing. Now remove the baklava from the oven. Now turn your stovetop off. Immediately spoon the sauce onto the baklava. Now it's time to let it cool. Remove each triangle baklava and place them into cupcake holders to be ready to serve.